Hello to all of you. We're here today to show that our mask, our sustainable mask, community mask, SecureBreathe, is at least as efficient as an FFP1 and probably even more efficient as an FFP1. The reason for that is that SecureBreathe is a vinyl mask with inside the principle of paper filters. 4 layers, paper filters, 1, 2, fold again, so you get 3, 4 on your left cheek and your right cheek. We are going to test through vaporizator really quite a big amount of humidity, way more than we could have in a normal conversation, but it's just to show that in fact all those paper filters, whatever we take, whether it's very luxurious in Belgium or going to the more industrial paper towel that we use here at the machines, well, we're going to show that not only the liquid is going to layer 1 and 2, but once we get to layer 3 and 4, it's almost dry. So the test is very simple. This one is going to be a real big amount of humidity. So if there is no mark, it is clear that it's a good filter. So we start with the FFP1. And we see that there is no mark. Inside, it is humid, logic. And outside, just a little bit, we start feeling some humidity. We start with the industrial paper, to a lighter quality that we use in the machines. There is clearly no mark. It is humid. The second layer also, but the fourth layer is dry. What we didn't have with the FFP1. If we go further on with the kitchen paper that we use, that you find in bars, that you find in airports, etc., etc., clearly no mark. And the fourth, it's dry. And the fourth. Up in scale and quality, okay. Clearly no mark. Second layer, a little bit humid. Third is fully dry. And then we go to the top of the top here in Belgium. Second layer, third layer, fully dry. Fourth layer, fully dry. SecureBreathe with kitchen towel filters is for sure as good as FFP1. And through the fact that it is a composition of 1, 2, 3, 4 layers, filtering in fact here, we can mention that not only in this direction we get protection, but probably also in this direction. So for sure, SecureBreathe is a valid alternative.